See Google Ads conversion tracking. So let's start this video. So we can track this Google Ads page, this conversion tracking. We can just track this page conversion tracking. Who can visit this page or click this page or scroll this page, just work and this conversion tracking this page. So now let's first go to Google Ads accounts and clicks goals and then summary and set up new action, new conversion tracking action, and conversion to website or conversion to foreground, just conversion to website. And here is you can see Google Tag Manager are not installed there, so we can just scan our URL. No, just here we can see our tag manager is linked this account, so just click this and click this. Save and continue. So here is the property, and we can select this event. So this event is Google Ads account. So basically there is this no event, I think. Expense. That is the Google Ads is tracking. We can already track this event through Google Tag Manager. You can see this easily. Google Ads space on turn off. So here is this Google Ads tag is already set up this. So this you can find this, just click this and select this event. So you ask to select category, so select category is just right. This is just page 2 and save event. And our primary goal ads events are is already, and this and here is this acceptable. You can no need, just remove this. Show me later, show me later, show me later. So save and continue. So now this is this important part. She asks to set up Google Tag Manager through or check your Google Ads link. So save and so no need this and finish. After this finish, we can see this our page are active. So now it is this gold and primary conversion is okay. We can source is Google Analytics 4. You can try this, not a GTM. So now let's see how to track this and even in your conversion taking in GTM. So create a new conversion. Just click this, just click and then save and continue. Sorry, save this, save and continue. And here is this page event. Set up manually using Google Tag or enter here your app conversion. So we'll set up manually. So just conversion. Here is this primary conversion and conversion is page view GX. Okay. And here's this different URL and count is every count. So and then done. Here is the also this up, so no need. Just remove and save and continue. So now this important part finish setting up your conversion, set up Google Tag Manager event tags. So this is this and we can now we'll set up this Google Tag Manager. So click this setup and wait and install manually. So this is asked to install Google Tag Manager code in backend. So just to know it, we need this just this ID. Just copy this equals or using Google Tag Manager. Click here. Just here is this our conversion ID and is this conversion level. So simply just click copy this conversion ID. Here is this option and go to Google Tag Manager and click this new tab and click configuration and here is the sequencing Google Ads and Google Ads conversion tagging. Here is this and he has to Google Ads conversion ID. So this is conversion ID and you can remind this ID not at changes. So we can if you get multiple conversion taking it so this many time copy paste so then on it just like this and build in please enable configuration and constant. That's mean it just not change and value is this time and here is the you can name this on version right. So just save and cannot detect into your Google Ads account content. You can fix this and just copy this conversion label and this conversion label just copy and edit this paste and name this tag ads ads space conversion tag. So just trigger we can already set up this Google Ads paste trigger just connect this here is this trigger just simply this and save. Now click this new tag and drag configuration and drag item image ads. So just ads. You can this conversion ideas this get this but is not can find this why conversion ID here is this you can see conversion ID and installation on this governments should pick them and the save. Now you can see this Google Ads conversion paste again. This time here is the blue zip mark. This you can drop on this I cannot find this tag. So list. So Google tag are not container content created tag. So this is our tag ID and Google tag and just trigger an external page and save. This saves. Here is the find this Google tag manager container. Before we click this will take major configuration tag, and this is just delete this. Now submit this tag, publish, continue. So our setup is completely done. Just now setup, check this. It's working or not. So go to Google Tag Manager, all ads, and agree and finish this. So we can set up this two event. Where is the external attention because two is our primary, so just a secondary. Set connection. So here is this node in this same conversion, and here is this tagger inactive. So now let's check this tag. Just click this inactive and troubleshoot. Continue and connect website. Just preview this tag is fire or not. So we can conversion tag this page Google Ads. Just click and go to tag assistant. Continue and you can see G at conversion page are tag are fire. You can see type all as conversion tracking. These tags are fired properly, so this may not tags are correctly, and this is this conversion level. So now let's debug this, and here is this you can see now recent conversion. Here is this active when you can run this Google Ads, and when come this real user and click this Google Ads page, then Google Ads count this conversion, and here is the active this conversion. So this is the setup today. Here is this misconfiguration. It is not mandatory. Okay, just edit calls and second round forever. You can just and simply is this again. All tags. You can see tags are active. So today we set up so I it is the event on for so if you like this video, subscribe, like and share for this more research subject. Update. Thank you.